Hello everyone, today our special is creamy chicken and mushroom pasta, which you can easily make at home with few ingredients. Before starting our recipe, thank you for watching. Starting with the ingredients, you will need 1 pound of boneless and skinless chicken breast, which should be cut into bite-sized pieces. Salt and pepper should be according to your taste. 1 to 2 tablespoons olive oil. 1 diced onion, or you can use sliced as well. 3 cloves minced garlic. 8 ounces sliced mushrooms. 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. 1 cup chicken broth. 1 cup heavy cream. 1/4 cup of grated Parmesan cheese. 8 ounces of fettuccine pasta, or any pasta of your choice. Chopped parsley for garnish is optional, or you can also use grated cheese. Now for making the pasta, first season your chicken with salt and pepper as desired. Now heat the olive oil in a skillet over medium-high heat. Add chicken to skillet and cook for about 6 to 7 minutes until it is brown in color. Then remove chicken from skillet and set aside. Then in the same skillet, add onion and garlic. Cook for about 3 minutes until softened. Now add mushrooms to it. And cook the mushrooms for about 5 minutes until softened. Sprinkle flour over the vegetables and stir to combine. Add 1 cup of heavy cream to it. Gradually add the chicken broth for making the sauce more flavorful. And Parmesan for more creaminess. Bring the sauce to a simmer for about 5 minutes and cook until thickened. Now add the cooked chicken to sauce and stir to combine. In between cooking your sauce, turn on another stove. And place a pot over it containing water to boil pasta. Once the water is boiled, add the salt to the water pot, then add the fettuccine pasta or any pasta of your choice to the boiling water. Once the pasta is cooked, drain the water carefully. After the removal of water, this is how your pasta will look like. Now add the pasta into the prepared sauce, and toss everything together. Coat your pasta in sauce properly. Now garnish your pasta with chopped parsley and shredded Parmesan, or you can also serve it with lots of sauce, with only chopped parsley as garnish. I like my creamy chicken and mushroom pasta this way. You guys also enjoy this delicious pasta with your family. Take care till next video and stay tuned. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more interesting recipes.